Hi, my name's Renee, and I'm so excited that you're here for Fraction Boot Camp. So, I remember as a kid that fractions could be a little daunting, right? So, I have taken my experience as math educator and turned it into something fun. So, we're going to be utilizing all of our knowledge about where fractions are found outside of the educational setting. And we're going to be doing as much as we possibly can with fractions from addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to simplifying the finding equivalence, mixed numbers, improper fractions. We're going to be doing as much as we can possibly fit into this class. I hope that you're ready and don't feel concerned if you're concerned that your child might feel a little overwhelmed. We will see where everyone is at. And if I need to split this into two separate boot camps for like beginners and maybe more intermediate, completely fine. I hope that you have a great day and I look forward to seeing you in Fraction Boot Camp.